Purple yam ice cream cake. Put 400 grams of crushed crayons in a medium bowl. Then, mixed with 200 grams of melted butter. Place the mixture in a lined pan with baking paper to be flattened. Add 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 all-purpose cream, and 2 can of condensed milk in a bowl. Mixed well. Then, put estimated mixture of the heavy cream to cover the graham on the pan. After that, continuously add 250 grams of purple yam to the remaining heavy cream mixture. Mixed until well blend. Add it to the pan with graham. Add estimated amount of shredded young coconut for toppings. Freeze it for 8 to 12 hours. And done! Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.